Hey guys, today we will draw these warehouse icon in Figma. Ready? Let's go. So first, press R for rectangle and then press Shift and Option if you are a Mac user. So your rectangle will be bigger from the center. R for rectangle and then Shift and Option. So we started drawing it. All right. Add a stroke and remove fill. And this position to center. Stroke value 1.5 pixels. Click here and the join to round. All right. Now double click and add 1 point here. Then select this point. Also select this point and move them down. All right. Now press P so we can add 1 point here and one more point here. Also 1 point here. One more point here. Now select this part and then move it up a little bit. Now select this point, move it to the right, and select this point, move it to the left. Now again press P for pen tool, draw the line here. Yes. Select these points and then actually all of them and the corner radius to 1 pixel. All right. Now press R for rectangle and then again Shift and Option and draw it like this. Yeah. And double click. Just move it down a little bit. And add a stroke, remove fill, and this position to center and weight to 1.5 pixels. And click here and join round. Close it. And radius to 1. All right. Double click and add 1 point here. One more point here. And click here. Move it up. See, so end points, we'll make the end points rounded. All right. And I think we are done. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and goodbye.